Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I came on today to share with you a Hobby Lobby haul. I have been seeing so many great Hobby Lobby haul on their clearance stuff that I was like, I gotta get to Hobby Lobby and check it out. But of course, at my Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if it's because we live in the middle of nowhere, Maine, or just because I can't get there fast enough because it's an hour and a half away from me, but I can never find all the great things I see on everybody else's hauls. That, of course, did not keep me from buying things. Just saying. So I thought I'd share with you some of the things I did pick up. Actually, most of the things I picked up are actually for a faith and friendship event that I'm planning at my church in May. So I did get a lot of stuff for that, but I'm kind of excited, and so I will show you what I've got. Now they do have like a lot of their stamps are on clearance. I mean, look at the prices, 62 cents and 74 cents. And I love this vine. What a pretty frame that will make. And I thought that cross was really pretty. You know, I've been sending out a lot more happy mails lately, and I think things like this make a great addition to a happy mail. But I am really looking forward to using that. I love it. So that was a really good deal. Then I found this on clearance. It's pink and it says Prayer Warrior. And I bought this because I've been making a prayer Bible, which I have been really enjoying working in. And I am going to use that charm in my prayer Bible. And as I get to working on that, I'll come on and show you what my prayer Bible is looking like. What I'm hoping is that I can start maybe doing some prayer Bible craft nights at my church. I think that would be so fun. Please forgive my voice. Me and my sweet husband have been under the weather lately. So the metal gallery is half off right now. And how cute are these paper clips? Like, y'all, so cute. So I picked up one set of those. I just think they're adorable, and I can't wait to put them in a journal. I might put one of those in my prayer Bible also. I just think they're so cute. And then these were on clearance. So I picked up the last two they had. Look at that pearl with that rhinestone bow on top. Oh, so cutie. And these were not on sale. And it's 6mm flat back pearls. You know how we love these ladies. But it's only $5.49 for this big pack. And I love to fill up the little tubes to gift these out in Happy Mails. I just think that's so cute. So I went ahead and picked some of those up. There weren't many things I bought that were not on sale, but this was one of them. So these were on clearance for $1.24 for 10. These drawstring bags with the heart. So I did pick up a few bags because I want to make goodie bags for the ladies for the Faith and Friendship event, and I thought these will be cute to go in their goodie bags with some things in them. One of the other things I bought that wasn't on sale were these jewels. They're $1.99. I got 2 bags of these because I want to make these centerpieces to go on the tables at the women's event, and I want these, I think, to go in the bottom of the jar. So the jar will have this on the bottom, and a battery-operated tea light, and then it will have a flower pick in there. But then it's also going to have one of these because if there was any Valentine's stuff left, it was 90% off. What a deal. So I got these. They're going to go in the table centerpieces too. I got 3 of the white and then 3 of the pink. I just think it's going to be gorgeous. Love these so much. Okay, running out of room. Where am I going to put those? Oh, let me grab these. And I saw these. They're so cute. And spring is half off. Everything's spring. And even though these aren't really in the color palette, because I'm really doing kind of a pink, red, and white theme for the event, go figure. It's a lot of hearts and bows. I still thought these would be adorable as part of the centerpiece too, because of course they're not as long as the hearts, and they're not even as long as the picks, so they'll be able just sticking up out of the jar. I thought it would be so cute. And when I get one of the centerpieces put together, I'll show you what it looks like. So I also picked up these. There was one of these left, and they were 90% off. And there's only 12 of them, but I thought I'll just lay these around on some tables at the women's event and just see who wants to play, because there will be many photo opportunities going on. I found this photo album, which I just love the color. It was only $2.74. And I thought for my granddaughter for Christmas, I am going to put pictures of her and I in one, and then say some things about the activity, you know, in the other sleeve. So this will just be full of memories, because my sweet Pepper Spring will be 6 years old at Christmas, so I have 6 years worth of memories to put in there. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to alter the front, because let me see what it says. It says, I love my squad. That's not exactly the sentiment I'm going for, although it is cute. So I think I'll actually just put some kind of sweet frame on the top. I mean, I do like the colors, so I'll probably leave the rest the same and just put something over that. But for $2.74, what a deal. So some of the other things I got, you know what, I don't think this was on sale. Yeah, it is. It was half off, 40% off, I think. During the women's event, I'm going to have different like stations of activities. And one station is going to be kind of like a photo opportunity. I'm making these like props for photos, and I thought it'd be cute to have some games. So I'm going to make this a double-sided puzzle with some scriptures about being a good friend, or what it means to be a friend. So I thought that would be so cute. And then also for the game table, I got this, because this was not on sale, but I couldn't resist it. It had hearts and bows. It's a hearts and bows tic-tac-toe. So I will have that with the puzzle. And thankfully I don't have to do anything to this. I just gotta paint that puzzle. You know, one thing I kept seeing on hauls and I was excited about was like all the pens and markers that were on clearance. But y'all, when I got there, this was the last pin in the whole section. The whole section was empty except for this pin that was 87 cents, and you know you cannot get a good fine tip pin for 87 cents. So I went ahead and nabbed it while I was there. And I was very excited to have it, but I literally was going to get more of these, but they were out. They were out. So then I bought these to go on the tables at the women's event, and I'm going to build my centerpiece on these chargers. How cute are these? These were 50 cents a piece. What a deal. And then I got these white doilies to go in the middle. So I just think they're going to be so cute. I'm very excited about it. So I can't wait to show you how the centerpieces turn out. So that's all I ended up getting. Like I said, I think I was late to the clearance party, but maybe you could hurry over to your Hobby Lobby and see if they have any good deals left. So it's good to see everybody, and I will see you on the next one.